Lordship. Item number 8, Lordship. This matter may password for the day only. Next week, Lordship, any day. 8, Lordship.
What's the problem? This council is not there.
Petitioner, Lordship. As Kanun.
No. And this council is not available, or why would they are there?
Lordship, today I have some problem, Lordship. That is why. On Wednesday next, Lordship.
After 1 week. We are not.
A date may be fixed. Yes, Lordship. After 1 week, a date may be fixed.
No.
As per your Lordship convenience.
No, after 1. It will be after.
Lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, I have met mention yesterday for new listing of one bail application, and that was allowed for Monday. But due to some reasons and technicalities, it could not be happened yesterday. So, Your Lordship, I have again mentioned it today, Your Lordship.
For Monday?
Yes, Your Lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, I am praying for listing of criminal petition, Lordship, for hearing.
Court number 18.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, a petitioner is in jail from last 28 days, Lordship. FIR is in page number, Lordship.
FIR is
9, Lordship. Vernacular is in page number 12, Lordship. May I read, Lordship?
Yes.
সন্মানপূৰ্বক বিনীত নিবেদন এই যে মোৰ নাম ৰেখা দেৱী আৰু আলম সিদ্দাৰ যোৱাকালি সন্ধিয়া প্ৰায় 7মান বজাৰ পৰা মোৰ ছোৱালী সোয়েঞ্চু আৰু মোৰ ভনী সোয়েঞ্চু নিখোজ হৈ আছে। সোয়েঞ্চুৰ বয়স 18 ইয়াৰ্ছ, ক্লাছ 10ত পঢ়ি আছে। তাই কেইদিনমানৰ পৰা ঘৰত অশান্তি কৰি আছে। তাই মোবাইল এটা খুজিছিল, কিন্তু তাইক মোবাইল ফোন নিদিয়াৰ ফলত নিজে উপাৰ্জন কৰি মোবাইল ফোন ল'ম বুলি কৈছিলে আৰু স্কুললৈ যোৱা বন্ধ কৰি দিলে। কালি সন্ধিয়া প্ৰায় 7:30 মান বজাত ঘৰৰ পৰা ওলাই যায় সোয়েঞ্চুৰ ঘৰত। তাৰপিছত দুয়োজনী ঘৰৰ পৰা ওলাই যায় 7:30 মান বজাত আৰু নিজৰ পিছৰ পৰা দুয়োজনী আৰু উভতি অহা নাই। গতিকে দয়ালু মহোদয় যেন অনুগ্ৰহ কৰি দুয়োজনী সোয়েঞ্চুৰ। Lordship, I am the not FIR person, Lordship, and I am a poultry businessman, Lordship. I have annexed my trade license in page number, Lordship, and leave me page number 8, Lordship. Lordship,
it is what tell.
My lord, page 13, grounds of forwarding report. Grounds of arrest, serial number 3. The arrested accused person Idris Ali has sent the victim girl to Siliguri by a bus with his wife of the accused person Idris Ali and another accused woman. So he is the Idris Ali, my lord.
We are on.
Idris too?
Idris.
Wrong item.
Come on, man.
Oh.
Page 13. Page 13, grounds of arrest, serial number 3. The arrested accused person Idris Ali has sent the victim girl to Siliguri by a bus with his wife, Idris Ali and another woman. Malat, he has sent the girl to Siliguri. Malat, so case that is required.
Lordship,
Though it is not named because he is missing, but subsequent to that incident, Malat.
Lordship, as a businessman, Lordship, I am staying in Guwahati, Lordship, and I am totally unaware about the facts which is stated in the FIR, Lordship.
Is there with it till when you were in custody for 28 days?
28 days, Lordship.
27. Bhanagor, Malat, on 13.
Lordship. Obliged, Lordship.
I am sorry, Lordship. I beg to mention item number 26, Lordship. I am little bit late, Lordship. CD is not received, and I am on interim, Lordship.
26.
26.
Did you not receive?
CD not
It is
received.
not taken, Malat. Interim.
You are my
Interim, Lordship. Doboka.
On 27th.
27 August. 27.
Deeply obliged. Deeply.
Please, Lordship. My regular bail application, my lord. There, my lord, petitioner was arrested, my lord, on 17/7, my lord, 2024, in connection with Patasar PS case number 132 of 2024, my lord. This section was, my lord, 395 of IPC, my lord. Anyway, my lord, here, my petitioner was arrested, my lord, only one mere substantial ground, my lord. Kindly first come to page 10, my lord. There is the transcript copy of the FIR, my lord. Here, one deputy took place, my lord. The petitioner before lordship, my lord, is a hardware owner, my lord. What happened, my lord? Police has apprehended some person, my lord. From their mobile number, mobile phone, my lord, they have found the petitioner's mobile number in their mobile contact list, my lord.
Call it. Call.
Now, my lord, kindly come to page, my lord. Page 16, my lord. Forwarding report, my lord. My lord, where is the progress of investigation, my lord? This paragraph, my lord. As we are going through the investigation of the case through tower dump analysis, and we found the following suspected numbers in the analysis having some patterns which suggested the users of the following numbers were present at the place of occurrence at the time of commission of the offense. Now, next page, my lord. As the suspected numbers were found switched off, we call for EMI search for all the numbers. After EMI searched, we found the new numbers only 6900914381 against the EMI number so and so used by one of the suspect number of the case, that is 60021722631. During taking of the above numbers on 15/7/2024 at evening, we found that the location of our suspect numbers so and so in the Parsala area. Again, we found some time we received one information from similar so and so, and
On the
accordingly.
basis of those, the EMI number or the contact number, you have been arrested.
That is not belong to the petitioner, my lord. Now, my lord, they have apprehended accused number, my lord. Here, this Bhaskar Rava, Siri Mukunda Rava, and Saburuddin are involved in the dacoity case of Raja Khat on the intervening night, so and so, reference with Patasar PS number. Accordingly, from the statement of the apprehended accused, it is learned that the below named accused persons are the main conspirator and are their leadership, the whole clan. My lord,
Okay. we
the
are
victim was
following
namely
this
Mia Hussain, my lord.
because it is a
Now, my
case
lord,
of
here
395.
my name is at serial number 2, my lord. Case
We are
18,
following
my
the
lord.
case diary. The case of 395 may be arrested
Fif-
suspect suspicion because suspicion has to
And,
be there.
Yes, yes,
How?
definitely. Police will suspect.
Materials not yet recovered.
Hmm.
15 days in custody from Bajali Manajan.
Kindly give a short date, my lord. If, my lord, he is not at all involved, my lord, otherwise, my lord,
13 minutes.
38.
my lord.
Okay. 38 record.
Obliged.
Map, Lordship. Lordship, it is a search-sheeted case, Lordship, and the FIR, Lordship, will find at page 8, Lordship. Allegation is, Lordship, 448, 325, and 376. And in the charge sheet, Lordship, charge sheet under section 448 and 376. Although, Lordship, charge sheet statements are not available, is Lordship, final report, Lordship will find at page 21.
At least scan copy may be for man.
Lordship.
As party for stage of the case at present.
Lord.
Stage of the case.
Lordship, witness were called, but no witness has appeared till date, Lordship. That is the only instruction I have.
You are shown as an absconder.
No,
No,
I have
no.
appeared. I'm
Oh,
accused. I'm arrested and
Okay.
for last 235 days behind the bar law.
Arrested on 22/12/22.
23. No witness appeared till date, Lordship, despite of repeated summons.
Scan copy call maybe on
It
16th.
has to come from which
Lakhimpur. Lakhimpur.
Lakhimpur, Lordship.
case by keep or try to
CGM,
short it.
CGM, not Lakhimpur.
Otherwise, well, 9.
93.
Email, by email it will available
9th.
9th of August.
Can
Of blank.
And it's the rest of-
My lord, item 4 may be taken after some time, my lord.
Camping.
Now see, today, so we are not taking the second
That's
half.
मतलब after that's then I'm like
Where please, Lordship?
Five, my lord, before you start, my lord, application has been filed under 482 CRPC.
When you have filed one, your
26,
presentation is filed when you have filed it.
File, Lordship,
26/7.
26/7.
26/7. So file an IA and correct the wrong section you have quoted. I
Lordship,
think
Lordship,
before
the
it is not.
new law has come, Lordship. Actually, Lordship, I filed, Lordship, a
One IA, that will be correct.
528 of BNSS.
Yes,
Lordship,
28 of
528.
BNS is right. One IA is fine. So when you can, but today it's not possible, but by Tuesday you will be able to file.
No, Lordship,
You
actually,
have to
Lordship,
file IA.
the no, Lordship, actually, Lordship, this petitioner, Lordship, is out of station, Lordship, now, Lordship. So I have to, Lordship, sometime, Lordship.
Let me say when it can be,
Lordship,
or otherwise we'll fix it after 1 week.
Lordship.
As their convenience it will be maybe fixed.
Oh, Lordship, I may be allowed to correct this by hand,
By hand.
Not now.
Lordship.
Cannot correct it by hand. Have to file one ID for correction. So anyway, we are trying. We are thinking of it keeping a shortage, but if your client is not available,
Lordship.
then let it be after. Let it after one. After
One.
one.
One week.
Yes, after
Lordship.
one.
Just after Sunday, my senior minute is could not 20 minutes.
Time will be today. Huh?
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, this communication has been preferred, Your Lordship, as against the order of grievance at page number 18, Your Lordship. Here, Your Lordship, this is the case, Your Lordship, under section 138 of the NI Act, Your Lordship. And this matter has already been disposed of on 28 February 2024, Your Lordship.
Already disposed.
Disposed of, Your Lordship, for payment. The disposed of means, Your Lordship, with a direction, Your Lordship, to conviction, Your Lordship, convicting the petitioner to pay a rupees 32 lakhs, Your Lordship. So, Lordship, what happened? After disposal this matter, we have preferred an appeal, Your Lordship, before the session court of Nagaon, Your Lordship. On the earlier case, Your Lordship, which was the trial court before the 93, that is 16, Your Lordship, to one previous engaged counsel was there, Your Lordship. He passed away. After that, Your Lordship, the petitioner engaged in new counsel, Your Lordship, for the appeal, Your Lordship, for preference of the appeal. Appeal has already been preferred, Your Lordship. The hearing is going on, Your Lordship. That is pending before the appellant court, is session court, Nagaon, Your Lordship. Now, what happened, Your Lordship? The new engaged counsel failed to give him instruction to appear before the trial court and to convey his prayer that one appeal has been preferred already before the appellant court, that is pending before the appellant court. That part has missed by the petitioner, Your Lordship. It was not guilty of the petitioner, Your Lordship. It was an erroneous belief of the petitioner that the case has already been disposed of. Already appeal has been preferred, so I need not to be appear before the trial court, Your Lordship. Because of that, Your Lordship, the NBW has been issued, Your Lordship. So my humble prayer, because of this the erroneous belief only, Your Lordship, and already appeal is going on, Your Lordship, I would like to appear before the trial court, Your Lordship.
But in appeal, was there any stay or was there the record was called for from the court of the
No, it was fixed for admission hearing, Your Lordship. No record was called for till date, Your Lordship. And it was a lost check, Your Lordship. We have a ground, Your Lordship. On that ground, the appeal has been preferred, Your Lordship. This bond is, Your Lordship, at 9, Your Lordship, the order, Your Lordship. That is the disposal order, Your Lordship.
was it seems that the admission hearing was fixed on 6/4. Thereafter,
Lordship.
what had happened? Is there any admission hearing? No.
Yes, done, Your Lordship. On each and every day, Your Lordship, the admission hearing is going on, but the appellant court was directed the petitioner to, Lordship, to deposit 20% of the judgment amount, Your Lordship, because it was not my condition, Your Lordship, to deposit that amount. I have filed a petition also, Your Lordship, before the appellant court regarding that matter, Your Lordship. I'm not in a condition to pay that 20%, even, Lordship.
We are the formal body in NIA case. Otherwise, he is supposed to file a petition that we are going to prefer appeal, and till then, maybe allowed to remain previous. That was not
It was
filed.
there, Your Lordship. It was there, Your Lordship. At Your Lordship.
And that petition is not filed. Registered notice may be issued.
Your Lordship.
And the order
Your Lordship, 15.
was passed by the Direct Basis 15/6/2020. There is a mention about the principle.
Lordship, that is 18 case number, Your Lordship.
15/7 already gone. Next one 31/8, no?
After it was the erroneous belief, it was not guilty on the part of the petitioner, Your Lordship. But the earlier counsel passed away, Your Lordship.
But notice may be issued prior to 31st, giving the reasonable date. And if not appear, then immediately it can be set. 31st is the next date, no?
No, 31st.
Notice can be issued giving the date prior to 31st of April, because the next date is 31st of August.
But still, Your Lordship, I have a business at the town of Nagaon, Your Lordship. But with some protection, Your Lordship.
Well, warrant can be not in the warrant of the till the returnable date. Till the returnable date. That's the warrant.
Or can be filed with the
Well,
for us. For the copy of the order sorry. But that's it, and I order after it got out of and I it present it again it or but it urgent of us or for file order. Okay. Pass it should have the and but that but it well or but it so you want to appear before
Lordship,
your negative is the 31st
3180.
Before the
Before-
So the NPW 56, the penalty 10 days from the order.
Lordship. Much obliged.
My lord, I'm sorry, Lordship. In item number 5, Lordship, your Lordship allowed me to file a miscase, Lordship, for higher Lordship. Lordship, I think Lordship is better to withdraw, Lordship, with the liberty to file a fresh Lordship.
Want to withdraw it.
Lordship, with the liberty to file a fresh Lordship. Lordship, obliged, Lordship.
this is also my lord.
You file an IA. Okay.
Because of the Lordship provision, or?
Yes.
Yes.
Just simply file an IA will be correct.
Then better Lordship, I will withdraw the same. Some typical mistake is also there, so better I will withdraw and file fresh Lordship.
Okay, item number 9.
Lordship.
Nine.
Yeah.
With liberty.
Okay, you also want to liberty to file a fresh.
Fresh Lordship. Lordship.
Both liberty.
Yes. Obliged, Lordship.
85.
My please, Your Lordship. Lordship, this criminal petition is basically against the rejection order for an application which was filed under section 311 for recalling of the witness. Basically, the victim girl, the age of the victim girl was not discernible in her statement itself.
What
Even
is the order?
my lord will get the order at page 60.
That was rejected.
Yes, my lord.
Okay, they stay notice because it's the box, they cannot really stay and all.
My lord, already all the evidence has been completed. No? All the evidence has been already completed, my lord. They have been fixed for SD. Otherwise, it has not been stayed.
When it is as the when
Maybe on Monday. Huh? Tomorrow, my lord.
we cannot have to happen.
This order is of 2/4.
You are coming, the order is of 2/4, now you are coming. How can it
19/4.
My lord, earlier also the petitioner had approached, but it was under criminal revision petition. They have filed as it's an interlocutory order, so that's why it was withdrawn. So later on, it is filed under this.
if we are helpless, we cannot because it's cannot
My lord, at
pass
least-
any stay on this. No stay. You can file a petition there.
Otherwise,
You have file a petition.
otherwise, my lord, the whole matter will be infractuous
But we cannot help.
because because the age of the victim has not been discernible from the record itself.
That is there. So after
So-
HD, you will get ample opportunity
The
to
IO,
file a rebuttal evidence in that.
my lord, I understand, my lord. The IO, what the IO says, my lord, that no age proof has been submitted by the IO itself, no certificate.
It will be
Thereafter,
good for you then.
later on this day, on 2/4/2024, on that day itself, the headmaster of the LP school, he had produced some document. So then we came to know that that girl, her pursued her LP school in that school. So we cannot cross-examine in that moment of time.
See, you can call for even the school teacher with the register and all if there is any anomalies in the recording the case of the victim and all. So that opportunity will give, because one is question that the girl, the age is not, it's properly ascertained by
My
the
lord,
IO welfare.
that's why from where she did her schooling from LP school, we need to cross-examine because 311 is very clear, my lord. If you're
Okay, if you have shorted, tomorrow you are having SD break time or break time.
earlier also they took time actually. See, it's okay, man. Short date may be given.
We are trying.
Morigaon.
You are fit to or you want an earlier date.
My lord.
He has to take step today itself, then it will go to our office.
Oh, acha.
No, he has to take steps.
12th August, my lord.
Yes.
August, notice.
মানে আজি step to লৈ পেলাই
আজি লৈ ল'ম।
sectionত কৰি দিব।
We'll do it today itself, my lord.
So we are 15 it up where?
My lord.
Yeah.
My lord.
Because today itself you take.
My lord, I'll much obliged, my lord.
Here also, Mr. Day,
Yes.
same problem. So
No,
you
no,
file an I.
No, it was filed prior to the coming into force of the act. It was
Yes,
filed on
it's already filed.
Yes, yes, Milord. It was in the defective Milord. It was filed on 24th of June, Milord, prior to coming of the act. Milord.
Oh, the 24th of June.
Yes, Milord.
Okay. Yes, what is the case?
So this is washing of a proceeding, Milord. Now, what has happened, Milord? Here, Milord, the respondent number 2, Milord, he had taken loan from the Cholamandala Finance Company Limited, Milord. Thereafter, he defaulted, Milord, in payment. The vehicle was taken over possession by the bank, Milord. Now, what has happened, Milord? The, if Lordship, I'll just take you to the complaint. The Lordship will find it page 42, annex 2, Milord. The Lordship is aware, Milord, for taking possession of the vehicle, Milord, no criminal offense is made out otherwise. But at the same time, Milord, Lordship will see the name of the accused, Milord. Column 2, Milord. Sri Jikandrajit Kumar and Milord Chiranjit Dotto. Now, allegation is at page 44, Milord. Paragraph 6. But it is a matter of regret that on last 28/7/2022, when the vehicle was running, the accused number 1 had forcefully taken the possession of the vehicle near so-and-so of so-and-so under and handed over the vehicle to the accused number 2. Now, Lordship, what has happened? I am not that person. I am the area branch manager of the Cholamandala Milord of North Lakhimpur branch. I am Tikendrojit. The petitioner of your Lordship is Tikendrojit Kumar, Milord. Now,
You are the area manager.
I am the area branch manager. I have nothing to do with Milord. Even otherwise, Milord, Anup Sharma's case, Milord. So Honorable Supreme Court has said, Milord, for taking away the repossession of the vehicle for default, Milord, does not amount to criminal offence. Now, Milord, I went to the court, Milord. So, Milord, I informed the court that there is no such person in the bank. I was forced to, Milord, that thereafter NBW was issued against me, Milord. I went to the court, Milord. I was asked to take regular bail, Milord. That is the position, Milord. I'll take you to the order. And in fact, Milord, even in the initial depositions given, Milord, nothing, Milord. Lordship will kindly come to the page 64. This is the impugned order, Milord. Cognizance was not taken against the accused number 2. Order date is 7/8/2023, Milord. I have gone through the complaint, which is so-and-so. The complaint recorded under section 200 as well as the statements of the witnesses recorded under section so-and-so. I have heard learned counsel for them. The brief facts of the complaint case is that the complaint on in the year 2019 purchased an ultra bus on so and so from Cholamandalam amounting to rupees 20 and an amount of 15 lakhs 70,000. This is also wrong below. This is not the down payment. This was the amount financed by the bank below. Were given as down payment. As per agreement, the complainant was due to pay 14,000. It was in fact 43,000 only per month, and EMI till so and so, and he paid total amount of rupees 8 lakhs 90 so and so. The ultra bus bearing registration number so is registered in the name of the complainant and on so and so while the ultra bus was proceeding so and so. Accused Jikendra Kaur stopped the bus near so and forcefully took away the ultra bus and handed over the bus to the accused Chiranjit Dott. The complainant went to the office of the accused Chiranjit Kaur to repay the outstanding amount of so and so as due to COVID situation. He was unable to pay the EMI, but as he failed to pay the EMI regularly, accused Jikendra Kaur forcefully took away the ultra bus, hence this case. Now, I have gone through the accused case record. After going through the matters available in the case record, it appears to me that a prima facie case is made out against the accused Jikendra Kaur under section 406-420. Now, where is the entrustment? Where is the mens rea? Even if I take possession of the vehicle, no criminal offence can be made out. If your lordship, I'll just place the judgment of this honorable Supreme Court, my lord. I'll not take you much time. Lordship will kindly come to paragraph 8, my lord. Second page of Anup Sharma's case, my lord. In view of the above, my lord, the law can be summarized that in an agreement of hire purchase, the purchaser remains merely a trustee so and so on behalf of the bailor, a financer, finance issuer, and ownership remains with the latter. Thus, in case of a vehicle is seized by the financer, no criminal action can be taken him as he is repossessing the goods owned by him. The other is, my lord, I have relied, my lord, there's another judgment of this court itself, my lord. So, my lord, firstly, my lord, there are decisions to show there, my lord, there has to be specific, my lord, warrants or whatever summons, my lord, has to be sent in the specific name in a specific address, my lord. Here itself, my lord, cognizance was taken against one different person. I am not that person. And I have been compelled to face trial, my lord. Against some other person, my lord. That is Jikendra Jit Kumar, my lord. I am not that person. Lordship, I am Tikendra Jit, my lord. I am not the same person. Lordship will kindly come to page 65. No, my lord. In fact, it is in the, even if your lordship kindly, not only 65, my lord, if your lordship comes to the complaint, page 42. Even your lordship, the 47 is the, my lord, SMS version, my lord. It's not a spelling mistake, my lord. Page 47, my lord, the vernacular.
Seems to be spelling.
Even someone, my lord, is 51.
So you are Jikendra Jit, but
So even otherwise, my lord, by going through, my lord, Anup Sharma's case,
you are also the manager.
I am the area branch manager.
And here you have mentioned what?
Yes, branch manager.
Even the, my
page
lord,
47. Branch manager.
Another thing, my lord, the company is, my lord, we don't have, my lord, I don't have personal interest, my lord. Even otherwise, the company is not a media party, my lord. And mens rea, my lord, I take my own vehicle. Where is the mens rea, my lord? There is no question of entrustment, 406 for 420, my lord, for that purpose.
Your company, Chola.
Cholamandalam Finance Company. Cholamandalam Finance Company Limited. And in fact, what had happened, my lord, we sold off the vehicle. He had no grievance. Thereafter, my lord, there was a deficit amount of 1 lakh something. We sent a notice as per the terms and conditions of the agreement, my lord. On receipt of the notice, my lord, that the complaint was filed after 103 days.
So at this stage, what is the stage of?
My lord, I will pray for stay of the proceeding, my lord.
So what is the stage of the case?
Evidence before charge, my lord.
Complaint case.
They are formal parties.
Go by.
My lord. maybe मतलब spelling mistake or मतलब
But yes, they are meaning him only.
Whatever, my lord, but because of the apex court judgment, my lord, I think, my lord, in fact, there are the decisions of this court also, my lord.
itu defect আছে itu চাইছো মই।
But you admit that the breaker was
That is admitted by, well, it was taken over question by the repossession agency, my lord, not by me. Sale amount has been also been adjusted.
but how many days later you filed the
103 days, my lord.
fine. But you know, but and the so and for further and in that however of the but that one Sharma Purana and
2016 to GLT, my lord.
to take steps for
Lordship,
your
I'll-
order state.
Lordship, a state proceeding. Deeply obliged.
May I please to Lordship? Lordship, anticipatory bail application, Lordship. FIR case 11, Lordship.
Right, that's it. Left.
Yes, Lordship. It's the counterblast of the FIR filed by my father, Lordship.
It's registered as 341.
Yes, Lordship. But Lordship, totally conflicted history, Lordship. My affair is case 19, Lordship. This is the actual fact, Lordship. Case 19, Lordship.
19, na? Yes.
Yes, 19.
So but your FIR was filed FIR earlier.
Yes, yes. My father filed this. They took loan from me, Lordship. Then, in the name of refunding the same, they called me near a bazaar, Lordship, and I went there. They assaulted me and left me in senseless condition, Lordship. Police rescued me and admitted to hospital, Lordship. I have specific statement, Lordship, in the FIR, Lordship. Police of Kajagaon police station recovered me, Lordship, and admitted to hospital. And FIR was filed before the same police station, Lordship. So, false statement, there is no no question of making any false statement before the police of same police station, Lordship. And in connection with that case, Lordship, husband of the victim was arrested, Lordship. I have annexed the forwarding report, Lordship. Annexed are 4,
So
Lordship.
you have named 4 accused persons.
Yes, Lordship.
Who is the husband?
Husband is, Lordship, Atwar Ali, Lordship. He is the accused number 1, Lordship, in my FIR. Case 20. And case 21 is the forwarding report, Lordship. He was arrested, Lordship. Both the case was filed before the same police station, Kajagaon police station, Lordship. There is a specific statement, Lordship. Finally, in senseless condition, he was admitted to Gauripur PHC by the police staff of Kajagaon police. So, Lordship, interim may be considered, Lordship.
Although both the FIRs filed by both the parties, actually whole story is true, only case diary will reveal. Otherwise, timing of the FIR, because of the timing of the FIR, one is registered just as 22-24 and another is 23-24.
Maybe, Lordship, but the
Yes,
statement,
although,
Lordship.
yes, his FIR is first in point of time, but it cannot be said that only his submission, his facts is true.
No, Lordship.
Only-
Lordship, the FIR, Lordship, in the FIR, my father specifically stated, Lordship, the Kajagaon police recovered me and admitted to hospital, Lordship. And the FIR was filed before the Kajagaon police station, Lordship. So, making false statement is not question, Lordship. And in connection of this case, Lordship, the husband of the victim is arrested, Lordship.
Yes.
And I was admitted in hospital for 1 day, Lordship. So, police could have arrested me, Lordship, but not arrested.
Yes.
Yes.
want both the
Yes, my lord, both the
one no, one one is cutting off in this footprint and other one cutting off it. It will be arranged for 450 I. Yes. When it can be
on 10/9, my lord.
10 to
Yes.
10.
Mason.
Maybe this, but kindly pass out on timing, my lord.
May I please, Lord? My lord, item number 14 and 15
It's
out of the
for same case that
same
Same
case.
case, Judge.
My lord, regarding item number 15, anticipated bail for Pavonali got infractions as because he has
15,
surrendered.
without-
My lord. He has surrendered.
Upon Povanali.
Pavonali to surrender to the party subjugal license.
in item number 15,
Pavonali surrendered, my lord. His petition got infractions. Only subjugal. I am pressing for only subjugal in item number 15.
in item number 15.
15. Only one petition.
So now it is only top July.
My lord. My lord, first kindly take item number 14. 14. 14. This is regular bail application, my lord. Petitioner number 1 is behind the bar since 33 days and petition number 2 is behind the bar since 27 days. FIR is at page number, my lord, 11. What happened, my lord? There was some hot spot between accused Pavonali and the deceased in the morning session at about 10:30 p.m. And after that, the deceased blew a punch to Pavonali, my lord. Then he came out,
So 302.
my lord, 302.
Yes, my lord, 302.
302. CD along with postmortem report was confirmed. Then, my lord, he came to market and finally went at home, my lord. And at about 4:30 p.m., he got caught by high blood pressure and naturally died. Later, naturally died. The deceased, my lord. But
With whom he has
we have been implicated as because in the morning session there was a hot spot between Pavonali and the deceased, my lord.
Pavonali and
Deceased. And arrest of the sons of Pavonali, my lord. No external injury sustained. So far as the FIR, no external injury
now
sustained.
here 40 days for
My
One
lord, 30
Afghan
days
and
was
one-
Afzal Ali, 27 days for my lord Fakhruddin.
they are how they are
They are the sons of Pavon Ali, my
both the
lord. My lord. Rest,
lady died.
my lord. No, my lord. Male person.
Sirajullah Ali.
Sirajullah.
This is my lord, Sirajullah Ali.
As per you, she died out of her high blood pressure.
My lord.
You are appearing for the informant.
I am the wife of the he's not his death is not for high blood pressure, Your Honor. He is attacked by this person, and after that in the hospital for that injury he was
My lord, case diary received, my lord, case diary along with
PM is
yes, PM report also received. My lord, PM report as per opinion, cause of death is kept pending till receipt of chemical and toxicological from DFS Pahilipara. But later on, my lord, all the injuries were antemortem and caused by blunt force impact. So injuries were there, my lord. And my lord, from there are eyewitnesses also, my lord. 164 of the eyewitnesses available in the case diary. And from the statement of the eyewitnesses, my lord, it reveals that, my lord, these are the accused persons who inflicted injury to the my lord, deceased. And, my lord, incident occurred on 36/24 at about 12:30 p.m. And on the same day, my lord, he was immediately thereafter, my lord, shifted to Hazu FRU Hospital, and thereafter, my lord, shifted to Narayana Super Specialty Hospital. On the same day, he died, my lord.
Then, my lord, FSL report may be called for.
Which part?
My lord, leg, my lord, skull, and my lord, nose, and my lord, from the, my lord, inquest report and PM report also, injury mark is, my lord, bleeding from nose, my lord, injury mark on left leg, my lord, and injury mark at neck, my lord. And these are, my lord, 164 statement of the eyewitnesses, my lord. They name the present accused
Then,
persons, my lord.
the FSL report may be called for,
All
my
the
lord.
accused persons.
Already sent for Kahilipara, my lord. Then the FSL report may be called for.
Otherwise, from
Till
the
then.
postmortem report, my lord, the injury marks were there, my lord. All were antemortem in nature, my lord.
The FSL report.
What talk to
Look, wait, the FSL report.
Now, present petitioners
Then
are
cause of death will come, my lord, from FSL report.
Now we are, as a family member, we are in this year what they may call harmful and tempering businesses.
No, no, my lord. Day before yesterday, Pabonali surrendered before the investigation.
Cause of death is there, but otherwise report and there.
because on the same day, my lord, immediately he shifted to the other, thereafter died, my lord. Because immediately thereafter, my lord,
He was admitted at
report was
4:30
conducted.
p.m., my lord.
And from the inquest report and PM report, injury marks, my lord, and places, the inquest report also stated about the injury marks on the part, various
My
parts.
humble submission, my lord. If it is sent for FSL, my lord, then the FSL report may be called for. Kindly give a date, my lord. Cause of death not ascertained, my lord. Cause of death not yet ascertained, my lord.
Statement of eyewitnesses is there because injury marks is there.
What say about the
No, my lord, FIR is,
for
my lord.
Then, yeah. Then let, yeah. And it will take some time, my lord.
for FSC club.
Okay, Gustavo.
That one. But both of them for you have to return by ticket.
Yes, well, on 28th of August, man.
20.
28.
28.
28, man.
Then confident.
On 21/8, 21/8.
High level.
And now for sub number. One got arrested or two got
My lord.
One got
One.
Only Pawan Ali, only.
Pawan Ali.
number one, Pawan Ali.
Highly applicable.
Lordship, regular bail application, Lordship. FR is on page number 15, Lordship.
15.
Yes, Lordship. May I read, Lordship? সন্মানপূৰ্বক বিনীত নিবেদন এই যে যোৱাকালি সন্ধিয়া নিম্নলিখিত পদকীয়জনে প্ৰায় 6:30 মান বজাত আমাৰ ঘৰলৈ ফুৰিবলৈ আহিছিল। তেওঁ মোৰ স্বামীৰ বন্ধু হিচাপে তেওঁ মাজে মাজে আমাৰ ঘৰলৈ ফুৰিবলৈ আহে। যোৱাকালি তেওঁ আমাৰ ঘৰলৈ আহি মোৰ ঘৰত কোনো নথকাৰ সুযোগ লৈ তেওঁ মোক ধৰ্ষণ কৰে আৰু চিঞৰ বাখৰ কৰাত শাহুমা আহে আৰু নিম্নলিখিত পদকীয়জন পলাই যায়। Lordship, petitioner has been arrested on 9/6/24, Lordship. Almost 55 days, Lordship.
Here, Lordship, thing is, Lordship, 164 implicated, and Lordship, the medical report. Here, Lordship, the medical report, there are around 6 to 7 injury marks on the victim, Lordship. He was scratched also, Lordship. Lordship, kindly goes to the yes. Lordship, kindly finding the bottom of the page. Eyewitness also there who saw the accused person running away from their Lordship. When hue and cry was raised, Lordship, some of the neighbors, Lordship, they rushed to the spot and saw the petitioner running away from the home. Lordship. That statement is also there.
Lordship, today is 55 day, Lordship. Petitioner is local resident, any stringent condition, Lordship.
Materials. I leave it to you. Otherwise, he may again threaten the victim. Lordship. That is my respect.
It must go.
Lord. Lord.
Rahman.
Yes, Lordship.
You are Mr. H. Rahman.
Yes.
Golokbet is under bed. Kalpara.
No, Dhubri, Lordship.
Huh?
Dhubri.
Dhubri.
Yes, Lordship.
May it please your lordship. Malad, this is 439 application, your lordship. Page 8 is the FIR. Actually, what happened, Malad, the unfortunate Malad, the wife committed suicide. Then mother-in-law and the son-in-law was arrested. Then Malad, the mother-in-law was granted bail by the landed court below. And Malad, son-in-law, the husband is before your lordship now, Malad. 40 days in custody. Malad, the postmortem report was also called for your lordship. Postmortem, I think,
Right.
very unfortunately committed suicide, my lord.
So, sir, case there is concern Miller. The case under section 304D is made up because there is demand of dowry. The victim died within 4 years after marriage. So all these ingredients are there. Only length of detention 40 days is in jail. So, and as per postmortem report, the opinion is death was due to asphyxia as a result of antemortem drowning. So it drowned in the pond, nearby pond.
The drowning
Drowning.
Why this report is there and reported drowning?
That because
she
no.
died because of drowning as an asphyxia. So
Mm,
why
uh,
reported drowning?
maybe because there is no other injury or administering poison or these things are not there in the patient.
Report.
Other injuries are this type of not detected.
It's died of drowning. Then
Drowning is drowning, not
by
hemorrhage.
antimortem. Antimortem is what? In substance injury and all for death within she died. That's
My
the
lord.
end. Died.
Now,
But injury mark is there or not?
injury will
It is alleged that it was subjected to assault.
no, this is the injury. These are not detected. Nothing, no injury is detected. And as per statement of the accused prisoner, some discordance were going on between them, the victim and the petitioner, and that is why he committed suicide. I have remarked the statement of the accused person, also, a very short statement.
I'm praying on the detention, Your Lordship. 40 days in custody. Unfortunate happening. What has happened, Your Lordship. So further custody may not be required, Your Lord.
Case is registered on 302 by 304B. Both perhaps cannot be there. No?
It will be alternatively charged with the same.
Charge, yes. Charge will be framed after examining material on report.
Sometimes officers you do what makes the both charges of during the trial or at the end of the trial.
Yeah.
If it affects Chidro 40, then the sentence will be under Chidro 40 or Chidro. It can be considered.
The family members stated in their statements, my lord, হত্যা করে পানিত পেলাই দিয়ে. But that is not supported by medical postmortem report, I think, because no injury or administering poison, etc. are not there.
Where is 40 days custody?
40 days.
Cases of from which place?
Gwalpara. Lordship. Oblige, Your Lord. It is allowed, Your Lord. Oblige.
But in case there is not there.
Here also, Lordship may only see the FIR, page 14.
CD, if we call for the sick.
Yes, yeah, only difficulty is that Lordship, he is a central government employee, Lordship, working as CRPF, Lordship Constable.
It can be short for that.
376 is there.
Yes. No, we have to call it for the case diary.
Malad, yes.
Next week.
আজিও নহয় জানো?
Next week.
Huh?
Next week your time that ছুটি আছে যাব লাগে।
আজিও ন? আজি হ'ল 2 তাৰিখ। 13th of August স্কুলত
এইটা কি আছে স্যার? এটা
নাহি। কালি পৰহি বন্ধ আছে ন? কালি পৰহি বন্ধ আছে।
Days are booked. If you give a earlier date, it may not serve your purpose also. That's why
But tomorrow and day after tomorrow will holiday will on Monday our message will go. 13th.
One motion item is there. It was left time being lordship. Adjourned for timing. Can it be taken up now, lordship? Can it be taken up now, lordship? Item number 4, motion matter.
after 9.
Not petitioner before your lordship is 60 days behind the bar, my lord. It is 60 days. My lord.
Case diary is available, but my lord, PM 304, the PM report is not available in the case diary.
My lord, your lordship.
Just Mr. Mike, we can fix it on.
Because 60 days, my lord. What the case diary says, my lord, if prima facie in case diary there is nothing, then no problem.
Prima facie, there are my lord, sufficient materials from the people. My lord, I will go to one of the witnesses is sufficient. How my lord, these persons, my lord, mentally and physically tortures the my lord, deceased, and thereafter, my lord, there are in FIR itself, my lord, regarding mentioning 2 dates. My lord, here FIR laws on 3/6/24. And in the FIR itself, it mentioned on 24/5/24 and 35/24 how brutally my lord, assaulted by the petitioner. He is the my lord, husband of the my lord, deceased, and thereafter on 31/5/24, with the help of her maid servant, he went to his own house, and thereafter on 2/6/24, she died at Udalguri Hospital.
Proximate cause of death.
Yes, ma'am. There are materials, ma'am.
Okay, we are calling for when it can be, or if you want to retain the city, it can be retained.
Yes, ma'am.
Otherwise, it may take time to reach again.
Yes.
So, CDP detail.
On yes, on Potasil Ambari, I can also my lord send and return get it. Today is my lord 2nd of August, on 13th of August, 13th.
Can it be
Earlier than on 9/8.
9? It's not 9. CDP detail. Yeah.
On 9th, my lord.
Okay.
Material. Here, lordship, second bail application, lordship. In the present case, they were shown arrest, lordship, on 7/6/2024. As on today, lordship, custody period is 57 days, and total period, lordship, they are behind bar for 80 days, lordship. That initial from the date of initial arrest, 80 days. And in both cases, lordship, allegations were same. And in the present case, lordship, FIR, lordship, will find page 13. It was lodged in the year 2023, December 2023, and they were shown arrest after about 6 months after arrest of the in the earlier case, lordship. The allegation that these petitioners availed some loan in the name of some other persons, and subsequently they have not repaid, and those documents were false. That is the allegation in the present FIR. And forwarding report, your lordship will shown report will find page 17, where prayer for shown arrest was made. Grounds, your lordship will find number 1, that they were some names were there. These documents were used, and what I am submitting to your lordship, that already they have collected all the details in the ground itself. It is mentioned, lordship, that details of which are enclosed with the CD. Detailed document. Everything has been seized by police, and already in main case, lordship, that they were granted bail. That your lordship will find Page 27, Annexure 5. In main case, they were already granted considering the length of detention, Lordship. Page 27 and 30. And another petitioner number 3, he was granted by lower court, okay? The district court, he was granted bail in main case.
Earlier,
And the main case was submitted by the SI of Police Lordship, and after that investigation carried out, they were arrested, everything has been seized. Subsequently, they were shown as in the present case, Lordship. My humble submission is that from the initial data, earlier rejection of page 19. Only that length of detention also that is.
And earlier, your lordship has produced the case diary, and I pointed out how my lord these persons are organized. My lord, this is how these persons are involved in committing this type of offenses. Updated case diary may call for me.
There order is there. Put your phone address. Your subject was also there.
Yes,
There
ma'am.
are some
And from the case diary, I also pointed out how 467 affected in this case, madam.
Those documents are already seized, Lordship.
Here in this case now there
57 days in this case, and overall Lordship that 80 days.
Only here shown arrested on 7/6/24.
And already all documents is that is shown as fair, Lordship.
once detected all body case there does take short date,
Sorry.
but it is very for because once now you are
Lord.
is there any other I mean collected by the otherwise there are
And my lord, in this type of what happened, my lord, in this of filing repeated bail application immediately one after the another, again I will have to call back. It will also, my lord, difficult for the investigating agency also sometimes, my lord. Again, they will have to send back the case diary, and after keeping the case diary here, otherwise they will have to also carry on the investigation. There are some difficulties there. So these are the problems.
Is there any yes.
Yes.
Anyway,
But however, well, subsequent bail, anticipatory bail application, there are also Supreme Court decisions in this regard.
there are. So anyway, we call for the case there in at present to have any alternative. Let us call for the case
Yes,
there.
ma'am. On 21st of August.
That will be too long,
Or
Lordship.
too
That
long.
will be too long.
Yes, yes. Then on 13th,
30th of August.
13th. Today is 2nd, my lord.
12th, Monday. 12th.
On 12th.
On 12th.
Just to see
Alright.
the only the progress and only the what kind of documents they have got.
Lord.
Otherwise, there are
Lord. Oblige.
May it please your lordship, my lord, application under section 528 of the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita for quashing of the FIR. My lord, before I proceed, I know all my restrictions, my lord, and as regards the Niharika's case also. The FIR is at page 15. Prima facie, I will say, my lord, there is a allegation, but my lord, I was arrested, I was allowed to go on bail. My lord, the allegation is that I am a block elementary education officer. I took bribe of rupees 3,000 and I was caught red-handed. That was the allegation against me. The issue is, my lord, I went for a checkup in Gopur in a particular school where the respondent number 2's relative is the headmaster. And there I found total misappropriation of fund. They were physically not present, and in the register it was sign was there. All those complaints, I was there to make it a complaint to the higher authority. When the respondent number 2 made a total plan and placed that, I was not in the room also. He placed the 3,000 rupees under the register and he went away. And when I came, my lord, I went to ask, then the anti-corruption people came and they got me. That is what the issue is. Well, at this moment, I pray for a notice for at least the respondent number 2. And though there is no absolute bar in the Niharika's case, if your lordship can consider some aspect of the matter, that much is my prayer, my lord. FIR is at page 15, and the bail order is at page, my lord, page 26, 27. I was allowed to go by the special judge Guwahati, Assam. FIR is at page 15. Being a Block Elementary, my lord, even that the copy, my lord, complaint copy which I drafted to submit, my lord, I can place it before your lordship. This was the complaint petition, my lord, which I was placing before the authority against the respondent number 2's relative. And that day, my lord, I was arrested. I will not ask for a stay of the investigation. That will not be fair on my part also, Marat. I will ask Marat if some kind of a consideration.
Otherwise, my lord, considering from the contents of the FIR, my lord, this type of cases, my lord, even my lord, my prayer before lordship not even liable to be rejected. My lord, threshold also, my lord, today also, my lord, considering the my lord materials in the contents of the FIR. Anyway, my lord, your lordship may also issue notice.
So he has applied for his died. So one big test because the case died check for his dead.
Yes. So a scan copy of case diary may be called for in this. Otherwise, my lord. Yes, my lord, original. Yes. Yes, yes. Original. Yes, sir.
Notice will also go. So
Yes.
keep it there. Then at least two.
Then on my lord, last part of August or otherwise my lord, September, my lord.
September will be 2. Wow.
So then on 29/8.
29/8.
29.
29/8. That will do. Give it to us. Always, sir.
May please, your lordship, my lord. I'm sorry, my lord, I cannot respond, my lord, appear on first call, my lord. Here, admittedly, there has been a two case and cross case also. The affair, my lord, against us, that is Annexure 1. They are alleging that the accused persons, after taking alcohol, have carried them and they were beaten. That is the allegation. And snatched some money, etc. And cross case disclosed that cross case by the one of the family members against the informant side. My lord, lordship will find an annexure 2. That is that disclosed that they are more aggressor. Information against us. My lord, is not so serious as disclosed by the FIR lodged by the accused side, my lord. They are more dangerous. They have stabbed one person and broken hands and also broken leg, my lord. And one was caught by the public, and then police taken him in custody of the one of the informant side, my lord. Lordship may kindly have a look at the page 16 onwards. That is the cross case, my lord. The complainant case is the accused number 1 is a dangerous gambler and is involved in various anti-social activities of corruption. Sophia is my brother-in-law. He is entitled to get a refund of rupees 55,000 from the accused number 1. The victim Sophia on so-and-so at 5:30 p.m. asked for this aforesaid amount from the accused number 1. Then the accused number 1 stabbed him with a sharp weapon to his various parts of the body. Therefore, Sophia received cut injuries in several parts on her back and caused bleeding and required 3/4 stitching. The victim snatched the sharp weapon and the accused number 1. Then accused number 1 took up a bamboo stick and hit on his head with the intention to kill him, and victim's left wrist was broken while he defended himself. Hearing of his hue and cry, the husband of Shahidul Islam came forward and immediately accused number 2, Abul Kalam Azad, hit my husband with a broken glass bottle with intention to kill him. As soon as my
may call for case diary.
yes, my lord, both the case diary, my lord. My lord, one of their my lord, the informant side has been also taken custody by the police on the date of the same day occurrence, my lord. And we may be protected, my lord.
Call for the case diary. Okay, one.
Manikpur case number, present case is 9324.
One is
9324. This FIR is lodged on 36.
And our case is, my lord,
Manikpur PS 9624. Lodged on 1724.
Hello. Not a case of injury mistake.
My lord, a quarrel between the co-villager, my lord.
The way they assaulted, I don't know who your the other the informant had maybe the aggressor. That's what they call. Then it can be possible, but presently it's not a case of
Yes,
injury.
14-8 minutes.
14-8.
Deep lovely.
May I say something?
Hello, case diary not.
Today is for case diary. I'm on interim lordship.
Yes. Or do you
On 21/8.
Okay, very good.
CD was called for. I am on interim bail.
We did not receive money.
He's on
Interim. On 22/8.
22nd.
22nd.
Take care of my JPX.
Always.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, kindly have a look, Lordship, order that is
Also, case diary not received.
18/6/2024, Lordship.
My lord, already petitioner is in interim.
CD was available, my lord, on 18/6/2024, but no injury report was there. No, my lordship, it is a land dispute matter. No incident has happened such. So where from she collect the injury report? And again, my lord, honorable court given the order to furnish medical report.
One is in interim.
One already one interim, but other two is not interim. But other two is to be allowed, my lord, because It is a land dispute matter. So far, my lord,
Why
Uh,
CD is not
my lord, CD already produced on 18/6/2024, but CD itself saying that no injury was there. So
says no injury was there?
Yes.
Why injury was called for? Next.
and therefore, my lord, medico legal report was called for. And my lord, kindly,
Last month, sir, you went to produce the case.
my lord, kindly have a look, my lord, paragraph 3, my lord, in my petition.
Medical,
And in
Paragraph
case
3,
of
my
not
lord.
producing
Because
the
they fail to furnish each and every day.
CD medical.
Already 4 days fail, my lord.
To remind. The last.
Otherwise, my lord, remaining 2 petitioner, they are also be allowed.
According to when it can be discussed.
On my lord, 16/8.
Lordship, 1 already interim, but 2 and 3 also, my lord, allow, my lord, because they fail to furnish any injury report.
Interim order must be. Or what?
2 and 3 also still next date, my lord.
Interim is
2 and 3 also, my lord, till next date, my lord. Interim maybe
what?
because 2
Interim
and
was
3 no interim was there.
Then what?
Because they have to be grand interim because there is no case
They are on
actually.
interim.
Yes, lordship. One already interim, my lord.
Only one, my lord, petitioner number 1 is in interim, but
Yes.
the other 2
2 and 3
petitioners,
not
there is
interim,
no
my lord.
That's why we are speaking of short date.
Short date, my lord.
16/8.
16, lordship.
Short date, last.
As the last chance, my lord. What is the
23, yes. Hardship submitted in this case. No?
It's non
No.
This is a previous bail application, my lord. Here, the quarrel took place over a very small issue. In fact, the quarrel took place between the family of the informant and the family of the petitioner's father-in-law, my lord.
Lordship, I'm just interrupting him, Lordship. So this bail application, Lordship, was considered by your Lordship on 31/7/24 in another anticipatory bail application, Lordship, preferred by the same petitioner, Lordship. That is, Lordship, AB number 1666/24. On 31/7/24, it was listed at item number 34 by the same petitioner, Lordship. I have checked, Lordship. Lordship has already gone through the case diary, rejected the bail application. Now this has come, Lordship, filed by the same petitioner, Lordship. It seems, Lordship, 2 anticipatory bail application was filed by the same petitioner. Lordship will kindly go through this order, Lordship. Akhirul Islam, Lordship will find the name of the petitioner. This is PS case Mankasar, PS case 99/24. It was rejected, Lordship. After perusal of the case, there is Lordship. Serious allegation was there, Lordship. 15 stitches on the victim's head, Lordship. He was referred to a private hospital, Lordship.
So it was rejected on
31/7.
31/7.
Yes.
My lord, I have no information.
Lordship, this
Then
time,
in second appeal, there's a where you have 5 affidavit, where is
No,
the
my lord,
affidavit?
I have no such information. I have no such instruction that the earlier bail application
No,
was.
you have filed your affidavit now.
My lord, if it was filed by the other counsel or even by the petitioners, then my lord, whether in the same PS case. Oh,
Yes, same case, same petitioner.
I have no
But you have
such.
filed 2 petitions.
I have no such
One was
instruction.
rejected
my lord.
only on 21st.
yes. Lordship, I will be playing to take strict actions, Lordship. And the other counsel, Lordship, he may also be directed to appear before your Lordship, Lordship. You know, this cannot be allowed to go on, Lordship. On the same, Lordship, what they are doing, Lordship, anticipatory bail file on the same, on the first day, Lordship, and motion stage, if interim is not granted, they again file another. That is the procedure, the practice that has been followed, Lordship. In a number of cases we have come across. This cannot be allowed to go on, Lordship.
My lord, I'll check, my lord. I'll check if any bail application was earlier filed, my lord, because it auto.
What
Here only, you can go to the
order
record.
has already been dismissed.
Same petition, same PS.
I did you.
Please go
Then
through
you
the
will check. This is the petitioner, this is the same petitioner, same FIR.
after title of the case diary rejected, please go to the name of the petitioner, whether he is the same person or not.
Was the counsel the other case?
He was Lordship, his name is mentioned here, Lordship, M. Islam. He is M. Islam.
Our bail application was filed in the month of June. This was filed in the month of June, madam.
Yes, that's what he is saying. That when you have not obtained suppose interim, you paid a subsequent.
Then, my lord, then your lordship may take any action, my lord, because since I was not informed by the petitioner's side, my lord, so I cannot say anything.
M. Islam Sinibani.
No, no.
No, M. Sinibani.
Sinibani.
M. Islam Sinibani.
M. Islam Sinibani.
M. Islam. Phone number.
Phone number. থাকিব লাগে মই নাথাকিল 12 কম কম
He is amazed.
Yes.
Other one was
M. Islam. So let him contact Lordship.
Well, one counsel M. Islam, perhaps I know him, but if he is that councilman, then I can even inform him also to appear in this court.
Let him come, Lord.
I do not know whether my application was filed prior in time or his application was filed in prior in time, because I received my petition and I filed it without any information whether any earlier any counsel was engaged or after me any counsel was engaged. So
whatever it may be, Lordship, this is totally fraud played upon the court.
Obviously, my lord, I also do not, my lord, want this type of practice, my lord, in court.
Lordship, let us keep it pending for the time being, Lordship. In the meantime, he'll try and contact this counsel, Lordship, M. Islam.
M. Islam.
Otherwise, Lordship will fix a date for the let the counsel come.
Well, Lordship will fix a date, my lord, short date, so that, my lord, by the time I will inform the counsel, and I will also take instruction from the petitioners whether any counsel was engaged by him, or maybe I will also clarify, my lord. Because I also do not want this type of practice in court, my lord. Because I also do not want, my lord. If the petitioner side has done this thing, my lord, he should even Lordship may punish him also. I have nothing to say.
Mofidul Islam.
Mofidul Islam. Yes, I know him, my lord.
Lordship, if he is present in court, Lordship, let him just.
The earlier petition was also filed on 24th of June.
Lordship.
He is also saying that he is filed by June.
Yes.
Month of
June.
You have filed on 18th.
18/6.
Your petition is on 18th.
18/6. Well,
His petition was on 24th. You have filed most prior to his.
Yes.
So that is his information.
But I will also check, my lord, because when my matter was listed in motion, my lord, then my matter was came for motion on 24th of June, my lord. And
24th of June.
Yes, 24th June, my lord. For motion, it was listed for motion on 24th of June in code number 21, my lord.
Yes.
Item number 10.
Yes, and his petition was also, your petition was filed on 18th.
Yes.
It was listed for motion on 24th.
24th.
And his petition was filed on
24th.
24th.
Subsequently.
So that
Lordship,
will be done.
Lordship, let him just take the telephoning instruction from this.
Well, I'll take instruction from the petitioners as well as even I will also contact the council, my lord, this council, my lord, because I know him. He is also
One Mofidul Islam also.
Mofidul Islam
If he is
also. Well, I will
available
also
in
talk to
court
him.
right now, Lordship, he can be asked to come here. Just take the action.
Lordship may fix a date, my lord, so that by the time, my lord, I will because if he is not available in the bar, I do not have his contact number.
Take the telephoning instruction. Let him just take the instruction.
All right, my lord.
May please, Your Lordship. 25 CD was called for, Lordship.
Yes, what it is available. No,
CD receipt, my lord.
it is received.
CD receipt.
Along with PM was asked for. PM
Yes,
is also
ma'am.
there.
My learned APP Bhaskar Sharma has gone for the case diary.
But
Learned APP B Sharma has gone for the case
Oh.
diary. Please come.
If it's there, then it cannot today. Let it be because
Lordship, CD
in F2, I'm having another bench.
He is here. Let him continue. My lord. In the meantime, he will come. For the time being, I am not interim. We are not in interim, Lordship.
No, we are going here.
Yes.
But that all of one let us for time.
Lordship, after some time. After some time, Lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, in respect of item number 27 and 28, I'm seeking a passover for a time being, Your Lordship.
Time being. Time being, not because at 2 I have a bench with the Patak and then we give the product. Because we have a meeting.
Your Lordship, after some time, Your Lordship, I'll just seek
Sometime okay.
Yes, Your Lordship, I'll just seek. Much obliged, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I have taken steps upon the response number 2, Lordship. Their
Response
POXO was added, Lordship. That is why, Lordship, last order. Whether service was completed or not.
Now, as per the office note, no steps.
No, Lordship, I have taken the through the office of the PP. I have also obtained the seal and signature.
Yeah, Mr. Sharma, as per office note, no steps has been.
Lordship.
Actually, he has directly taken steps.
No. Lordship, kindly through the registry, and I have given the copy to the PP. Normally, that practice is going on, Lordship. One copy should be provided in the office of the PP.
Lordship, I
and
will to take instruction, Lordship, whether service is completed or not, Lordship, in the office. If he has taken the steps from our office, Lordship, they will send it, Lordship. I will have to take the instruction if notice has been served or not. So, and CD is already available, Lordship, so it can be fixed on a short date, Lordship. Next week, Lordship, any day. In the meantime, take the instruction.
Then Monday, Lordship.
You have directly taken. No.
Yes.
That's why most of the office notice that
Yes.
figure that they have not received anything.
Yes.
It is raised from the raised.
Yes, let him take instruction, Lordship. Otherwise, I have the receipt copy of the.
Okay, we are not disputing on.
Okay.
We are not disputing. But the question is that whether it
Okay.
is served or not.
I will take an instruction, Lordship.
Administered. Now, as per office note,
Monday will be.
Mana,
no steps.
Monday,
No steps. But number.
Tuesday. Oh.
But
I don't.
No. No, pata na ako.
CD is already received.
Yes, Lord.
It's recording.
Lordship, I pray
Any
on
day next
can be
week.
6th, Lordship, on 6th.
Next week, any day, Lordship. Yes, that is difficult, Lordship. That is why.
7.
7.
Okay.
CD আছে না? Not your lordship fine. This is a case your lordship will find.
Yes.
আছে নাকি বা? Allegation is that, my lord, the present petitioner, she is the daughter of the main accused. The allegation is that, my lord, the maid servant went to her house where she was staying in a room where my father committed rape on her. And I threatened her. This is allegation against me. Interim was there, my lord, already appeared. In page 9, your lordship will find the FIR, page 9.
You are the daughter.
I am the daughter of the accused who already been arrested. That was already. My father already got arrested.
And the allegation is that your father committed rape on the patient.
Rape on the informants, and once she told me, I threatened her.
Lordship, here, since petitioner is on interim, Lordship,
Yes.
I pray for application of the case diary, Lordship, because I could not find the statement of the petitioner on the record. And also,
Have you
Lordship,
appeared before?
Yes, no? Appeared one.
Appeared or you're just saying? Have been
Date says 1 hour ago.
anyway, where the last date of entry?
last date,
Interim kete dise?
Entry was on 18/7.
15/7, I think. 18/7.
16/7, Lordship.
Oh, that's the
Then it will be.
And also, Lordship, the medical report may be called for, Lordship, because it is alleged that she was beaten up, Lordship.
That is even then 323 comes.
In that regard, medical report
Anyway.
is not available.
But on the face of whether that's required or not, on the face of it. FIR. Oh. Palto dekha to de diya.
Yeah. And statement of the present both that
It is past tense under new act.
yes,
29/8.
29. With that, recording it updated case day under 29.
Not
Your interim
interim till then.
Make please, your lordship.
Petitioner is on interim and CD has not been received.
not
Yes, sir.
Interim may be continue.
Let it come up on 30,
No, lordship, date it will be.
38.
It
38.
is so long that your lordship. Can
you are on interim. Is there
Yes, I am on interim, your lordship, but this case is on page 12 is FIR.
no, we are not going to raise case there.
8 may be fixed on. This is the Omen PS. Next date may be fixed for 8, your lordship.
8.
8.
8
It
is.
is not solve your problem. 8 we may not reach because your interim will be extended. What
Interim is-
following?
Interim is here, your lordship.
38.
30.
30.
30.
Avoid.
Interim.
So avoid.
Also, here also CD not received, Lordship.
May it please, Your Honor. Lordship. May it please, Your Lordship. Lordship,
Not
the,
received. You are on interim, no.
no, Lordship. Lordship, at least till the CD is arrived, Lordship, I may be allowed to be in
So
interim.
this is the first
Lordship, Lordship, I am an officer of the court, Lordship.
case of
Lordship,
409
there
is
is no allegation against Lee.
409 is there.
Yes, Lordship, but there is no, Lordship, the affair is based on a complaint, Lordship. And there is no such,
Now this is the first day we are.
no, Lordship, it is the second date. Initially,
First
Lordship, the CD was called for, Lordship.
Yes, one time it was called, Lordship. On 24/7 it was called for, it is not received. Today is
It
the
has not
second
been
date.
received. It is from the Borpeta,
Second
Lordship.
date,
Lordship, I'll have to attend.
After motion, Lordship.
This is the first day when it
Yes.
is appeared, and
Yes.
today is the date fixed for the first time.
Yes, Lordship, for
No,
the
no.
first time.
Keep on.
Lord.
Both same.
Yes, Lordship, but Lordship,
20, 32 and 33.
Lordship, same PSP.
Same. Yes. Give a short.
Lordship,
Lordship,
22nd, Lordship.
Lordship, it will be too late, Lordship. I'll have to attend court, Lordship, and there is an
What you do?
apprehension.
What's your-
Lordship, Lordship 33, I'm a stenographer, and here, Lordship, I deal with the IT, Lordship.
16, Lordship, 16/8.
You are an employee of which
District and Section Judge Court, Barpeta, Lordship. Lordship, so Lordship, can it be on Lordship?
16.8, Lordship.
Lordship, at least still that's some protection, Lordship.
the case of 409. To remind 30.
At least on that day, it may be considered public.
Right. 34, yes.
May I please, Your Lordship, matter may be taken after some time. CD is there, Lordship. My senior is on code number 2. Our matter is here.
See, we don't, after at 2 we are having a bus there. Thereafter, we are not.
Just
we are
after
completing.
20 minutes, Lordship. Right now,
So
12.
here also I have to make one submission, Lordship. Lordship, here this bill application came up before court number 21, Lordship, on earlier occasion, Lordship. On that day, Lordship, the case was withdrawn, but it was heard on length, Lordship. And the court was inclined to reject the bill application. Thereafter, the petitioner counsel withdrew the case, Lordship. They withdrew the case after it was being just dictation was about to start, Lordship. The counsel for the informant was also there. And that fact, Lordship, that order has not been annexed, but they have mentioned in one paragraph that earlier they have withdrawn this bail application at paragraph number 7, Lordship. Page 9. Lordship will see it may be mentioned that the petitioner along with 4 others preferred another pre-bail application by AB number 1266/24. So let this matter come up before that court.
It's there that
Since the court has heard at length, Lordship, that is why I was saying. Otherwise, Lordship can take up next time. No.
so it's her senior PFP.
Lordship.
And if we accept definitely will be there because that should not be a trend of
Yes.
because that I'm going to say decline, whatever. It's a court was
Yes.
supposed to pass the order. In that case, if such kind of thing is there. In my court, also it would be opinion, particularly if the advocates are there with this kind of thing. We have also marked it. Okay, for the time, but after it may not be taken.
Lordship?
After 2, it may not be taken up.
CD has not been received.
Is the petitioner is on it?
I don't think so, Lordship.
No, no.
No, Lordship.
He's not on it. Mr. R. Ali was there. Both of them did some other that also recording
1980.
Diary has been called for.
Case diary received, my lord.
Yes.
36.
Diary.
Case diary received, my lord. Offense under section 376D. My lord, anticipatory bail, my lord. 164 statement of the victim and other arrested statement of the other arrested accused persons were also available in the case diary. And from the case diary and their statements, my lord, these accused persons are fleeing since the date of the incident. And my lord, this is not a fit case for anticipatory bail at this case. My lord, investigation is
Yes.
yes 376 D, and victim is also, my lord, her birth certificate also her date of birth is, my lord, 24/6/24 at the time of the commission of the 17 years. So POSCO also need to be, my lord, added in this.
But is there any prayer for the IO?
My lord, I am trying to find out, my lord, whether any prayer made by the IO or not, my lord. But from the there is also observation of the, my lord, traditional second judge regarding that aspect, my lord.
Well, I have one prayer, just one prayer, my lord.
Yes.
Where is this, my lord? I have had argument with Mr. Alfred, my lord. Sufficient material is there. I admit it, my lord.
Only one submission is this matter. I am 26 years old, having 6 months child matter. I will surrender before 10 days in the court. I will surrender for regular bail matter. In this period, my lord, I may be only for 10 days matter. I pray. I will surrender matter. Only that because I have 6 month old child matter. I
According
have
to
old
he
mother,
wants to
father
surrender
matter.
before, let him appear before the trial court, my lord, then.
Only for 10 days.
Within
my
a
lord.
period of 10
I
days.
will surrender.
Because if
Definitely.
he wants to surrender, then it is good for the investigating authorities also.
10 days may not be arrested.
So 10 days for 10 days, what will be the
My lord, otherwise, otherwise let him, yes, let him appear before the trial court, my lord. Then file regular bail application.
because 10 days we cannot even eat.
Interim, yes, my lord.
That's why I'm asking.
Yes.
However, submission can be recorded.
Recorded, my lord.
That can be recorded, but 10 days protection cannot be.
Or yes, considering the type.
It's better to surrender before. If you want to surrender, it's good only.
Yes.
For you, rather to arrest you. You have you can go. But there are sufficient men, in fact. The girl was also 7 years old at the time. And the way, how many?
Four accused persons, two were already arrested.
Two were already arrested.
Yes, their statements are also available, my lord. How they, my lord, committed the offense, that was clearly explained by them.
Well, I will surrender before the court matter with 1 week, my lord. And in this period, my lord, I may not be arrested. My lord.
Taking advantage of her loneliness, initially, my lord, took her to Borigaon and thereafter, my lord, by mixing some intoxicating substance, my lord. And
but there is no prayer on I as section of box. Yes, he is saying he will appear within 7 days. So 7 days, how can the protection get?
Yeah. It will appear, otherwise there is no other option, man. If he wants to.
I was a good point.
Or but I have made your submission recording that they want to start at 7 days. Internet connection cannot be given. That's correct.
What is this? So this is the earlier councillor.
May I please, your lordship, with due apology, my lord, because my lord, the council conduct the case in the my lord session court, my lord. He is also come with the my lord petitioner. So my lord, I believe on that, my lord.
But
Because he has already filed my lord that he did not my lord express before me, my lord. He said that my lord, I have not. True, my lord. My lord, true, my lord. I agree, my lord.
We can take the
I agree, my lord. But pardon me, my lord. It is more first time for my life, my lord. So, my lord, and the my lord, council who appeared before the my lord session court, learned session court, he also come with the my lord, with the accused, my lord, petitioner, my
So you
lord.
did not inquire anything about.
My lord, I have checked the name. I have checked by name, my lord, but I did not find my lord at the time of my lord filing, my lord.
What you have checked?
My lord, I have checked, my lord, through the my lord online portal, my lord, by name, my lord, but it is not, my lord, reflected. So, my lord, I could not aware of that, my lord. Only on that belief, my lord, I have filed, my lord. My lord, first time, my lord, pardon me, my lord. And the next, my lord, this time, this incident will never happen. At least in my lord.
That time it
Yes.
was going on. Because that is the purpose why one affidavit was asked by.
Lord. And also there's one more thing, Lordship. In the earlier application, Lordship, it was his petitioner's name was Akhirul Islam. In the second instant bail application, Lordship, it is Akhirul Islam alias Sahidul Islam. So that sort of technicalities is adopted, Lordship. And we have come across a number of times, Lordship. This type of practices has been done, Lordship.
Now
Akhirul Islam alias Sahidul Islam.
Your full name is
M. Islam.
M. Islam. Full name?
Full name.
MD Mufidul Islam.
How can we say that both body council filed the earlier petition? So now stick your conduct.
My lord, normally the petitioner come with the document, my lord. I have filed on that basis, my lord. So name, he is sublet, my lord. Well, pardon me, my lord, for this first time, my lord, because this incident never happened in my life, my lord.
Where is the other count?
He is coming, Lordship. I have talked to him. He is also coming, Lordship.
Your petition, you have filed your petition on 24th. On which date the earlier petition was actually put up?
Put up, my lord.
And your petition was put up on which day? First put up. Oh, you have filed you filed your one in 2000, I mean 2014, and other one is on 18. It was put up on 24th. That means this petition, the present petition is earlier.
Yes, yes.
So now you have filed your petition on 2014 when it was first listed and when it was first listed.
My lord, I need to verify, my lord.
First listed, I don't know, Lordship, but it was disposed upon 31/7.
It was listed on 27. 97 and then 21.
সেইটো কেতিয়া মোবাইল
সেইটো আগত
মোক কেতিয়া আহিব?
সেইটো আগত আহিব দেখা দেখি
Obviously, as because on 18/6 wala petition, which was the present petition, was put up on 24th and there was no interim order.
Yes.
For that reason, immediately on that day,
Yes.
the petition was again another was filed, which was put up on 20th.
Yes.
Obviously, there was also not interim, I think.
No.
So this petition we cannot keep it pending
No.
for verification or not required.
Not required.
And they are the petition file. It goes message the bar actually.
Yes.
I'll talk to the registry. I will not talk to the registry. It should be raised before the court. And something has to be because otherwise by visit the court, some kind of order is taken up. Then
Lordship will just reflect on the order, Lordship. What is
yes,
it?
everything would be everything. I'll take the note.
Well, he is the counsel.
I'm the counsel.
Yes. So we have seen that if this was filed, your petition was filed earlier, that is on 18/6.
Yes, ma'am.
I think it was fixed for first time on 24th.
24th June.
On that day, there was no interim, and on that day itself, 24th, this petition was filed by.
Maybe that inspection ballot I did not have, whether subsequently.
No, you may not have because your petition was first. But we have to reject your petition. We don't have an alternative. Subsequently, this kind of thing we are not going for.
Lordship, I'm sorry to say here, actually I also as a counsel, never support this type of practice in court. And secondly, this time your Lordship may dispose of this matter with some warning, and so that in future it doesn't happen.
This has to be highlighted. This has to be highlighted to the bar council because this kind of practice, if it is not Lordship, right now, if it is not taken note of Lordship, it will go on.
What I have to say, even in the registry, when the matters are filed, they also should check before the.
But there is a trick.
Yes.
Because why it was not, I mean, reported in the even in the by name. He said that by name it was checked.
Yes.
But his question is that this present your petition is filed as
Akhirul Islam
alias Sahidul.
Sahidul. Because
but his petition is filed only as a Akhirul Islam. That is the reason.
Actually, what happens in this here? Why actually two names are there? FIR was registered as Akhirul but his documents are in the name of Shahidul and in fact, his documents, voter ID, PAN card, Aadhaar card, these documents are in the name of Shahidul Shahidul Islam. And secondly, here actually the basic fact, although I'm not submitting details. Actually, the main accused here is the father-in-law of the present petitioner. Actually, he was selling fish in the nearby market.
Now your TD is there.
Yes.
Lordship, otherwise may dispose of on merit also with some
merit to all right. On merit, it has already been dismissed, Lordship, by your Lordship. Nothing remains.
Lordship, may give some message also to the registry also of this court while any bail application or this above matters are filed, then they may actually check by PS case also. Normally, we do not actually check by PS case. What actually I have noticed it here that by checking it by PS case, my lord, then obviously, my lord, the everything come out, my lord. Just now, my lord, I have just what
Generally, how you check?
normally, my lord, by name or even when we receive any brief from the petitioner or from any client, my lord, they inform us or we ask the client, my lord, whether any engaged counsel was engaged or whether he or she approached any counsel earlier, my lord. This type of information we receive at the time of receiving the brief, my lord.
Okay, I'll pass the order and then it will go to the.
Bar Council.
Okay, I'll pass.
Highly obliged, Your Lordship.
Here, Lordship, just one small submission, Lordship. The case is raised at
Yes, yes, this one is item number.
Indicated, Lordship, just one submission, Lordship. Here, the case is registered under 302. The petitioners are the owners of the
Rehabilitation Center, Your Lordship.
Where are item number?
The petitioners are the owners of the rehabilitation center, Lordship. There, Lordship, the victim was admitted, Lordship, and subsequently he died, Lordship. Now, Lordship, we have received the case diary and the PM report is also received, Lordship, but it is not conclusive, Lordship, because here it is stated that FSL report is still awaited, Lordship. So let it come, Lordship, because the death was suspicion, Lordship, because when his health deteriorated of the victim, he was taken to hospital, Lordship. And that is, he was taken to one hospital.
PSC.
Sonari, no. Sonari SDCH, Lordship. He was taken to Sonari SDCH. There, Lordship, the attending doctor, seeing his condition, referred him to Dibrugarh AMC for better treatment, Lordship, because his condition was severe. But, Lordship, the rehabilitation center owners, Lordship, they did not take him to Dibrugarh Hospital, Lordship. They again took him back to the rehabilitation center. There, Lordship, he died. So, Lordship, it is a somehow, Lordship, negligence is there, as well as the PM report has to be finalized, Lordship, because otherwise the cause of death is pending, Lordship. That is the difficulty.
He was suffering from some kind of.
He was a addict, Lordship.
Yes, drug addict.
Drug addict,
He
Lordship.
was an addict, Lordship.
He shows some symptoms.
Yes, his health deteriorated, and thereafter they took him to Sonari SDCH. There, Lordship, the attending doctor said that he requires medical treatment at Dibrugarh AMCH because we do not have the facility to treat him. In spite of saying that, Lordship, they did not take him to Dibrugarh AMCH. He was again taken back to the rehabilitation center where he died, Lordship.
So all these 120, these are the petitions for the rehab center.
Rehab Center, Lordship, Secretary and President, Your Lordship, Rehab Center. And they were regularly treated the victim, and as well as there are other patients also, Lordship. Earlier, no such allegation was there. This was happened accidentally, I think. And he was treated regularly. No any allegation was also made by the informant also earlier. It's because they were regularly treated. And 302, Lordship.
But 304, like
302 may not come, Lordship.
I also admit that
Lordship.
may not be there, but let us see because it's a heavy.
Lordship.
If you want to call for the
Yes, Lordship. FSL report if possible, Lordship. FSL
because
report.
of this, it's not there.
Not report. FSL report is not in the case diary, Lordship.
PM report has come, I think, Lordship.
PM
Only.
report is there.
PM report is there. No injury mark, nothing, Lordship. Everything is okay, Lordship. But the
Nothing is there. PM
actual
report.
cause of death, Lordship, that has to be ascertained. It's very difficult.
Mm.
TD can be written, otherwise it will be delayed.
Lordship.
Or you want to return it back.
Or Lordship, out of the way I'm stating, Lordship, let them appear, Lordship, because it appears to be a...
Lordship,
Let them appear, Lordship.
we
In the
will
meantime,
appear,
we'll-
Lordship. Interim protection may be given, Lordship.
Okay, we are the interim protection.
Lordship,
Before
we
the-
will appear and record our
To
statements,
return the
Lordship.
case diary,
Yes, but we will return the case
the
diary.
updated case diary along, uh, when it can be picked.
Lordship, let it be on 3rd of September, Lordship.
Third.
Lordship appear within
Within 7 days.
7 days. Oblige, your Lordship.
27.
Sorry for disturbing your lordship. Actually, item number 31, day 30 is not possible for me, your lordship. I'm going to outside, your lordship. So, if possible, lordship, kindly my request is here, lordship, 15 or 16. That 15 or 16 in any day.
15 is holiday, Lordship. 16, Lordship.
16, yes. Item 31.
Yes, 27 and 20. Yeah.
Much obliged.
27, Lordship, CD received.
27, Your Lordship, the allegation is against
27 and
me.
28 same city.
No, Your
No.
Lordship. 28 is a different case.
Oh,
27 is
अच्छा,
different.
27, Lordship.
27 cities.
27, yes, CD received, Lordship. Here, the Lordship victim, she has, in the FIR, Lordship will kindly see there are a number of allegations against the petitioner, Lordship. But the fact remains, Lordship, that they were in a living relationship, Lordship. And thereafter, Lordship, the present petitioner abandoned her, Lordship. That is why this case FIR has been lodged. If Lordship kindly goes to the 160. So,
So your present petitioner, name of your present petitioner is
Nitesh
Soni, Your Lordship.
what's the Nitesh?
Soni. I admit the fact, Your Lordship, that we had a relationship. Your Lordship. But the allegations are denied by me. Those are not.
and Lordship, one more independent witness is there, Lordship. One more flag is there, Lordship.
Otherwise, he submitted that he was her husband.
Yes. Their common friend statement, I have marked, Lordship, will kindly see that statement. And medical also Lordship refused. She refused medical. She refused to undergo medical case.
Is there any other submission, Mr. David?
I may be protected, Your Lordship. That's the only respectful submission I have.
Simple, sir. Okay, you're done.
Deeply obliged, Your Lordship. 28, Your Lordship. The FIR is at page 13, Your Lordship. The allegation against me is that I am the prime accused who has beaten the informant and his friends while they were coming with some cattle. Your Lordship, may I read the FIR? With due respect, I beg to state that I, Sri Deepak Moore, had purchased a total number of 9 cows along with their calves from my distant relative Sri Modhan Bora under Digboy PS of Novojyoti Gaon for rearing them. I am a resident of Dhemaji district and therefore the cattle which were purchased were being carried by my own vehicle bearing ration numbers so and so. A group of 9 to 10 people appeared and blocked my van at a place named Ultapul. They identified themselves as members of village security force, but they did not have any ID card of village security force and directed us to show the documents with respect to the purchase of the cattle. Accordingly, after showing them all the documents, after telephonically speaking to Avinash Das, officer in charge of Digboy police station, a decision was taken to bring the vehicle to the Digboy police station. In the meanwhile, a group of 35 to 40 persons suddenly came to the said place and had tried to assault me, Kunando Gogoi and Rajumoni Kolita. I and Rajumoni Kolita had not received much injury. However, Kunando Gogoi had received grievous injuries and my vehicle was broken and destroyed. Moreover, they snatched my mobile phone as well as the mobile phone of Rajumoni Kolita. They broke the mobile phone of Kunando Gogoi and had snatched an amount of rupees 25,000 from us. I identified the main assailant of the aforementioned incident as Rameshwar Maji. That is the present accused petitioner, Your Lordship, a resident of village Ultapul after watching the video recorded in the mobile. However, I failed to identify the other assailants as it was dark night and there was no light. The other assailants can be identified if Sri Rameshwar Maji is interrogated. As such, I have filed a written first information report. Now, in my respectful submission, Your Lordship, it is true that on that particular day I was there in the place of incidents, but I was not the assailant, Your Lordship. What I had done is that I had tried to interfere when these persons were assaulting the informant and his friends. Unfortunately, Your Lordship, maybe there was a video or maybe somebody else has identified me, and that is why my name appears in the FIR, Your Lordship. So I may be protected in this case, Your Lordship. That is my only respectful submission.
My lord, 2 injury report received, Rajumani Kolita and Sunanda Gogoi. Sunanda Gogoi, my lord, type of nature of the injury, my lord, simple and grievous. Grievous injury is also there on chest, my lord. And regarding other person, my lord, simple injury, Rajumani Kolita. So 2 persons, my lord, injured. And regarding the, my lord, involvement of the present accused, witnesses implicated the present accused. One video recording is also there. And from that video recording also, my lord, the present accused person was identified. Along with the group, my lord, by while those victimized persons, my lord, transporting, my lord, cow at the point of suspecting them, my lord, of cow theft. All these accused persons introducing themselves as VDP member. The also allegation is that they snatched an amount of rupees 25,000 from the victims. These are the allegations. And regarding those allegations, there are my lord, materials against the present accused. Otherwise, many other persons is also there along with the present accused. He is one of the from video recording also, my lord.
I'll leave it to your lordship. Your lordship. Listen, I'll leave it to you. I'm not making much of it.
But ethics also the other person well.
Yes. He is one of the five accused.
Right.
And along with other group. Anyway, I will leave it to your lordship.
Mr. Newton is also allowed.
I'm deeply obliged, your lordship.
Everybody have and cooperate.
I'm deeply obliged.
It's not
May I please, Lord?
yes, Lord.
My lord, here another connected matter is, my lord, there, my lord. And that matter may be also taken up along with this matter, my lord. Another date may be fixed, my lord.
What's the number of the other men?
My lord, the other is, my lord, 1846.
AB. That's also AB or B.
Yes, my lord. This is also AB, my lord.
No, this is AB. The other one is
AB, my lord.
yes, AB. What is the number? AB
AB, my lord, 1846.
184 of 2000.
2024, my lord. And my lord, my humble prayer is that, my lord, here actually, my lord, there was a.
Oh, we are not going to take this one. You are submitting that this should be taken up with 184.
Yes, my lord.
Then one is
Another additional prayer, my lord, because, my lord, here only one CD has come, my lord. CD regarding our FIR, my lord, this is 92, Hailakandi PS case number 92 of 2000.
Hailakandi
PS case number 92 of
92.
2024. My lord.
To call for this one also.
Yes, my lord. This is, my lord, charge sheeted. Therefore, I am paying, my lord, this, my lord, scan copy of the CD may be called for, my lord.
It is not needed, lordship, in my respectful submission. That CD
My
is
lord,
not
because
required.
my lord, kindly move around to the front. Because, my lord, here, my lord, from our side, my lord, one person is killed, my lord. And our where, my lord, this case person is killed, my lord, this is charge sheeted, my lord. So, my lord,
Obviously.
yes, my lord.
question is that your Hailakandi case is already practiced.
Yes, my lord.
That was filed by.
Filed by us, my lord.
Yes, that your.
Because, my lord, who, my lord, and how, my lord, incident took place, my lord.
Who was the aggressor, whatever, I don't know. But the question is that your case is found prima facie established.
Yes,
It
ma'am.
was prima facie established on the basis of which case has already been
Yes.
submitted. So I don't think it will be required. If suppose simultaneously two investigations are going on, suppose
My
in
lord.
that case there may be a consideration that who is the aggressor of the case. But at the time of trial, that may be one of the aspects.
My
Who is the aggressor of the case.
My lord.
But here in this case, as your case has already been charged with that,
If your lordship considers not necessary, my lord, I have nothing to
then otherwise we are going to fix it with AB 1 and 4.
along with my lord. On my lord, this is fixed on 5th, my lord. This Monday. No? Monday.
Other one.
Yes,
Other Wait. 1 along with 1. That one is 5th.
5th.
Yeah, we have received the CD.
Yes, sir.
CD we received. 5th we are-
AB 1846.
Yes, 1 and 4
2024. Diploma.
Yes, sir.